Solani. Doesn't even hit the trampoline. Alicia throws it like a little kid. You're going to have to really throw these things if you want to hit these targets. Troyzan now up for Solani. Just misses.
As hard as possible, Christine.
Christina just misses.
Throw it hard, throw it hard, throw it hard.
You have to hit it harder.
Run. Come on, Jonas.
Here we go, Chelsea. You got it.
Chelsea takes her time, a two-handed toss, and just misses.
Come on, Jonas.
Jonas just short.
Snap.
No love yet in this challenge.
Come on, Kim.
Kim gonna give it a go for Solani.
Pitch it in there.
Kim not messing around. A big toss, and she connects.
Way to go, Kim.
Solani has one.
Come on, Tarzan. Come on, Tarzan.
Tarzan. It's an adventure just for him to get to the top of these crates.
Hey. Come on, Mikey.
Hard, Mike. Go, Mike.
Michael just misses. Tarzan with a big left hand. Tarzan connects for Manano. We are tied 1-1. Leaf gonna give it a go for Manano.
Come on, Leaf. Come on, Leaf. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
Leaf takes his time and it pays off.
Come on, Leaf.
Manano leads 2-1. There are 5 targets. Cat and Colton. Colton throws it right back at himself.
Pitch that thing, baby. There you go, there you go.
Cat
Oh,
just misses.
Come on, Alicia.
Last time Alicia had no luck.
Throw it as hard as you can.
Once again, way short.
What the?
My nephew could throw it further than that.
got it, Chelsea. Hard, Chelsea.
Chelsea with a two-handed toss, and she connects. We are tied 2-2.
All right, come on, Christine.
Christina short.
Hey, run back, baby. Run
Run back.
Run.
Stupid.
Idiot. Come on, Kim.
Kim, she's already scored 1. Can she score a second?
Oh,
No.
okay. Hurry, hustle back, hustle back.
Jonas with a big toss, but he's short.
Come on, Jay. Hit it hard,
Jay
baby.
leaps to the top of those crates.
You got it, Jay. Come on.
And Jay scores for Solani. Solani has 3. Manano 2. Tarzan struggling to get to the top.
Come on, Tarzan. Come on, Tarzan. Come on, come on, come on.
Tarzan to tie it up. Tarzan scores for Manano.
Do we have it? Come on.
It is 3-3 now.
Come on, Leaf, run.
Let's go, Lee. Everything you got, buddy.
Whip it, bro. Whip it.
Just misses by an inch.
Come on, Cat. Chuck it hard.
Cat scores for Solani. Solani leads 4-3. Ice cream on the line. Colt, think about it and launch it. Chelsea with a shot to win it for her tribe. No, it bounces right back. Alicia, think about what you're doing and throw this thing.
Come on, Alicia. Hard, hard.
Oh.
Alicia, pathetic.
Hard. Take your time.
Kim
You
could
got
win it.
Aim it, baby.
A big toss. Just misses. Off the
You
edge.
got it. You're getting closer.
Jonas short. Buries his face in his hands. A wasted opportunity.
Hit it hard, Mike.
Michael with a nice toss, but short.
Mike,
We are still 4-3. Manano, you're still in it. Christina needs to get Manano on the board. Christina way short. You're going to have to throw it, Manano.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, quick, run. Troyzan can win it right here. And he does. Solani wins ice cream reward.
Dude, snap, crackle, pop. That was long.
Solani, congratulations.
Yeah.
You will leave here and be taken to a Survivor-styled ice cream parlor.
Oh, my God.
Well earned. Enjoy it. Grab your stuff. Head out. Have a good afternoon. Manano. Got